Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we will discuss method of elimination for the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables. So for the method of elimination, we have to eliminate either of the one variable of the two variables given by making the coefficient of that variable equal. So let us now consider this pair of linear equation in two variables. So here you can see that the coefficient of variable y in both the equation is already equal. So we have to eliminate that variable y by subtracting or adding both the equation. So let us now consider the question number 1, which is 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and the second equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 11. So here we are given the coefficient of variable y which is already equal. There are some cases or many cases are there in which first you have to make the coefficient of the variable equal. So here the coefficient of this y is already 3. So coefficient is equal. So now we have to eliminate this variable y by subtracting these two equations. For the subtraction of these two equations, we have to change the sign of each term. So this will be 4x. So 4x is converted into minus 4x. So this plus 3y is converted into minus 3y. This 11 is converted into minus 11. Now perform the addition. So plus 3y minus 3y, it will be cut. So here the variable y is eliminated. Variable y is eliminated. So here 2x minus 4x. So 2 minus 4, which is minus 2x. This is equal to 7 minus 11, which is minus 4. So after the elimination of one variable, we are getting the equation, that means linear equation in one variable, which is very easy to solve. So solution of this equation is 4 by 2. So x equal to. So by eliminating this y, we are getting the value of x. Then your next step, you put the value of this variable in either of the equation. Put x equal to 2 in equation 1 or in equation 2, you will get the value of y. So put in equation 1. You can put this value of x equal to 2 in either of the given one equation. 1 में भी put करो या फिर 2 में put करो, you will get the same value of y. So here we are putting the x equal to 2 in equation 1. So 2 into x, now our x is 2. So it's a 2 into 2 plus 3y equal to 7. So this is 4. Taking this 4 on the right hand side. So 3y equal to 7 minus 4. 3y equal to 3y. Y equal to 1. So this is the values of x and y. So a solution of this pair of linear equation in one variable is 2, 1. Clear friends? So this is how you can solve this pair of linear equations by eliminating either of the variable. Now consider the same pair of linear equation. Here the coefficient of y's are equal. Suppose if you want to make the coefficient of this x equal and we have to eliminate this value of variable x, then how you can be solved? So consider the another method. Another method means we are taking the another option. Instead of eliminating variable y, here we have to eliminate variable x. Our method is method of elimination. Method of elimination means we are eliminating either of the one variable given. So we are having two options. In first method we have to eliminate variable y. So we are getting the equation in terms of variable x. Now we have to eliminate variable x. So for the elimination of variable x, we have to make the coefficient of this variable x equal. So for the first equation, variable of x is 2. And for the second equation, variable of this x is 4. So to make this variable of x equal, we have to multiply this equation 1 by 2. Therefore, we are getting 2 into 2 to 4x. So this coefficient will become equal. Clear? So for the elimination of variable, we have to make the numerical value of the coefficient equal. So first, you have to multiply this equation 1 by 2 because here you have to eliminate variable x. So multiplying equation 1 with 2, you have to multiply left hand side as well as right hand side. So it will be 4x 4x plus 6y equal to 14. This is your equation number 1. Now equation 2 is 4x plus 3y equal to 11. This is your equation number 2. Now here we make the coefficient of variable x equal. Then we have to eliminate. For the elimination, here we have to change the sign. So change the sign of all the terms. So this plus 4x minus 4x will be eliminated by doing this addition of these two equations. Now this one is 6y minus 3y. So you have to change. You have to consider the sign after changing the sign. So minus sign is there. So 6y minus 3y will be 3y. And this is equal to 14 minus 11, 3. So here, after the elimination of variable x, we are getting one linear equation in one variable, that is variable y. In this case, after eliminating the variable y, we are getting one linear equation in one variable, that is in the form of x. Clear? So now 3y equal to 3, so we are getting y equal to 1. After eliminating variable y, we are getting the value of x. After eliminating the value of x, we are getting the value of y. Answer will be same. Done? So now you have to put the value of y in either of the one equation. So put this value in equation 1. You can consider this one as equation 1, or you can consider this one as equation 1 without multiplying. It will be give the same result. So here it's 2 into x plus 3 into y equal to 7. So therefore this one is 2x equal to 7 minus 3, and here it's 2x equal to 4. So we are getting x equal to 2. Same result. Clear, friends? So here our solution is order pair xy equal to 2, 1. You have to select which variable is to be eliminated and which equation is to be multiplied by which number, that we have to decide, and you have to solve this question by this method. So you can solve this pair of linear equation using this elimination method. Clear, students? So pause the video to note it down. Number 2. So here pair of linear equation in two variable is given, which is 2 into ax minus by plus a plus 4b equal to 0, and 2 into bx plus ay plus b minus 4a equal to 0. So first we have to simplify this given equation. So this first equation can be written as 2ax minus 2by, 2ax minus 2by equal to, taking this a plus 4b on the right hand side, so which is minus a minus 4b. Similarly, this equation 2 can be written as 2bx plus 2ay equal to this b minus 4a taking on the right hand side, so it's a 4a minus b. So it's a 4a minus b. We are just separating the variable x and variable y. So here this is variable x, y, and this is constant term. Now what you have to do for the method of elimination? For the method of elimination, we have to make the coefficients of variable x or variable y equal, and then you have to perform addition and subtraction. So either of the one variable will be eliminated. So for that we have to consider the variable x or variable y to be elimination. So here one coefficient of y is plus or minus, plus and minus is there. So here we have decided that first we eliminate the variable y, and to make the numerical coefficient of this variable y equal, so we have to multiply this equation 1 with a, so it will be minus 2ab, and for this equation 2 the coefficient of y is 2a, so you have to multiply this equation 2 with b, so it will become 2ab. This is minus 2ab, this is plus 2ab, and after the performing the addition, this y can be eliminated. Clear? Second option, if we select this variable of x to be a elimination, for the elimination, so here we have to multiply this coefficient 2a with b, so it will be 2ab, and this coefficient of x to be with a, so it's a 2ab. So here we have selected to eliminate variable y. So multiply equation 1 with a and equation 2 with b. So now multiply equation 1 with a, that you have to specify. So it will be 2a square x minus 2aby that is equal to a into minus a minus 4b. After multiplying equation 1 with a, इक्वेशन 1 को हमें a से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और इक्वेशन 2 को हमें b से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So now multiply this one as a b. So it's a 2b square x plus 2aby that is equal to p into 4a minus b. Clear? Why we have selected this y? So multiplying this equation with a, we are getting 2ab. Here we are getting 2ab. Coefficients are equal. By addition, it will be eliminated. So perform the addition. So minus 2ab plus 2aby will be cancelled out. Here for this addition, we can take this 2x as a common. So 2x as a common. This one is a square plus b square. And this is equal to. For the addition of these two terms, we have to perform expansion. So it's a minus a square minus 4ab plus 4ab minus b square. So plus 4b minus 4b cut. So it's a minus a square minus b square. So this is nothing but the 2x a square plus b square equal to, taking minus and common, it's a square plus b square. So a square b square will be cut. So we are getting x as a minus 1 by 2. Value of x is minus 1 by 2. This bracket will come to the denominator. So minus 1 is there. 2 will go into denominator. So it's minus 1 by 2. Done. After elimination, we are getting one equation which is equation of only one variable. Here variable y is eliminated. Why? Because we have made the coefficient of variable y equal and then perform addition. So y is eliminated, getting the equation in terms of variable x. Put this value of x in either of the one equation. So put in equation 1 and solve it. You will get the value of variable y. So this is our simplified form. So here 2ax. So we can write 2ax as a 2a into minus 1 by 2 minus 2by and that is equal to minus a minus 4b. This is the value of y. Simplify this. This 2 will be cut. So it's a minus a. Minus a will go into the right hand side. So we are getting minus 2by equal to, this is minus a minus 4b and these 2 cut. So it's a minus a. Minus a will become plus a. So minus a plus a 0. Minus minus plus. So it's a 2by equal to, this one is 4b. So y equal to 4b by 2b. b cut 2 to the 4. So I am getting the value of y which is equal to, so x equal to minus 1 by 2 and y equal to 2 is the solution of this pair of linear equation in two variables. So you will write the answer like this. Coordinate pair x, value of x is minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 and y is, this is your answer. Clear students? So this is how you can solve your question number 2. Check question number 3. So here we are given that x by 10 plus y by 5 plus 1 equal to 15 and second equation is x by 8 plus y by 6 equal to 15. So first we are taking this one on the right hand side, so it will be minus. So we are getting simplified form which is x by 10 plus y by 5 equal to 14 and this is x by 8 plus y by 6 equal to 15. Numerical coefficients are in the denominator of given variables, so it will be very difficult for us to eliminate. Mentally हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये कैसे इसको करें. So for this type of questions, you have to take the LCM of this denominator. Suppose here in the denominator 10 and 5 is there, so LCM is 10. So multiply all the equation on both sides. Multiply this equation on both sides by 10. So we can convert our equation 1 and equation 2 as it. Multiply equation 1 on both sides by 10. So it will be x plus 2y equal to 140. Say this one is the equation number 3. So we are getting our equation in our standard form. here LCM is, what is the LCM of 8 and 6? 24. So multiplied with 24. So it's a 3x plus 4y equal to 15, 24 multiply the number. So 24 multiplied by 15. It will be 360. 360 is the equation number 4. So now we are getting our equation in our standard form. Now we have to solve this equation by using method of elimination. So for the method of elimination, what you have to do? You have to select either of the one variable to be eliminated. Eliminate करना है. So for that, we can select this coefficient of variable x. If we multiply equation 3 with 3, so this 3x will become equal. Second option, you can multiply this equation 3 with 2. So this is 2 2 are 4y. This 4 by 4y will be equal. You can eliminate. So first option, multiply the equation 3 with 3. So we are getting 3x plus 6y equal to 14 3 are 420. And the second equation as it is 4y equal to 360. So now coefficients of this variable x become equal. They have the equal sign. So now change the sign. You have to perform subtraction. Here you have to perform addition. So after the subtraction, this x variable will be eliminated. So this is 6y minus 4y, which is equal to 2y. And here 420 minus 360. So now it's a 60. Y equal to 60 by 2. So we are getting y equal to 30. So y equal to 30. Clear? What you have done? Here we have select variable x for the elimination. So after eliminating the variable x, we are getting the linear equation in terms of variable y. In this case, we have eliminated our variable y, so we are getting one linear equation in terms of variable x. So put this value of y in equation 3. Put in equation number 3. So equation 3 will be x plus 2 into y, which is 30, equal to 140. So this one is x plus 60 equal to 140. So x equal to 140 minus 60, 80. X equal to 80 is the answer. So solution is xy. Value of x is 80 and y is 30. Clear, friends? So this is how you can solve your question number 3. Pause the video to note it down. Question number 4. Here you have to solve this pair of linear equation, which is 1 upon 2x minus 1 upon y equal to minus 1 and 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2y equal to 8. So basically this pair of linear equation is not a linear equation. What is the definition for linear equation? Variable of x and y must be 1. But here our x is in denominator, its power is minus 1. So degree of the variable x is minus 1. So for this minus 1 variable, we can't say this one is a linear equation. Similarly, y is also minus 1. So this given pair of equations are not linear equations. These are not linear equations. These are the equation of two variables. But for this case, when the x and y or variables are in denominator, at that case our equations are not the linear equation. So for that, what you have to do? You have to convert this given equations into a linear equation. So these equations are said to be a reducible equation to the linear equation. Reducible means they can be converted into linear equation by the assumption of any other variables. So how it can be solved? So here our problem is x and y both are in denominator. So to avoid that problem or to convert this equation into linear equation, we are considering another variables. For example, this 1 upon x equal to, we are taking variable m, and 1 upon y equal to, we are taking variable n. So replace this 1 upon x and 1 upon y with the variable m and n. So these equations are converted into linear equations, pair of linear equations in one variable or two variables. So these equations are said to be a reducible equations in linear equation. So now 1 upon 2x, so 1 upon x is nothing but the m. So equation 1 can be written as m by 2 minus 1 upon y. which is n, that is equal to minus n. So multiply this equation on both sides by 2. So this is nothing but the n minus 2n equal to minus 2. Say this one is the equation number 1. Now second one, 1 upon x, which is equal to m, plus 1 upon y equal to n, so it's n by 2 equal to 8. Again multiply the equation on both sides by 2, so we are getting 2m plus n equal to 16. Say this one is the equation 2. Now check this equation. These are the pair of linear equations in two variables. Variables are m and n, their power is 1, so it's a linear equation. So these are the reducible equations. We can say these are the reducible equations which are converted into linear equation. Basically these are not linear equations. We have converted the equation into linear equation by substituting the different variables, replacing 1 by x with m variable and 1 by y with n variable. Now you have to solve this equation by using the method of elimination. For the method of elimination, we have to eliminate either of the one variable by making the numerical coefficients of variable equal. So here variable of n is minus 2, here is the 1. So now we are multiplying equation 2 with 2. Multiplying equation 2 with 2. So first equation as it is. So now m minus 2n equal to minus 2. Multiplying equation 2 with 2. So it's a 4m plus 2n equal to 32. So signs are different. So perform addition of this equation. So this will be eliminated. Variable n will be eliminated. This one is 5m. 5m equal to 32 minus 2, which is 30. So by eliminating the variable n, we are getting one linear equation in one variable in terms of m. So on this equation, we get the value of variable m, which is equal to 6. 5 is 30. Now we will put this equation in either of the one equation. So put in equation number 1. So putting the value of m equal to 6 in equation number 1, we are getting the value of variable n. So put m equal to 6. So therefore it will be 6 minus 2n equal to minus 2. Take this minus 2 on the left hand side and this minus 2n on the right hand side. So it will be 8 equal to 2n. So we are getting n equal to 4. अभी आप कहोगे सर ये हमारा आंसर है. Our question is solve the equation in form of variable x and y. So your answer must be in form of x and y. This m and n that we have considered. So what is m? M is 1 by x. So now our 1 by x equal to m and our m is 6. So what is the value of x? You have to consider the reciprocal of this x. So this will be x equal to x का reciprocal. So you have to consider the reciprocal of 6. It's a 1 by 6. Clear? Similarly, our 1 by y. 1 by y is nothing but the n, and our n is nothing but the 4. So 1 by y equal to 4, and therefore value of variable y is 1 by 4. So now our solution is this x and y. So order pair xy is equal to 1 by 6 and 1 by 4. Clear, students? So this is how you can solve your question number 4, in which when equations are given, the equations are not linear equations. These are known as reducible equations to the pair of linear equations. So that can be solved by taking the arbitrary variables. You can take any variables. Done? Now second case. This is again pair of linear equations that you have to solve. But analyzing this equation, you can find that these equations are nothing but in the form of ax plus by equal to c1 and bx plus ay equal to c2 form. That means coefficient of this x are interchanged. 37, 41. Your coefficient of x is 37, so your coefficient of y is 37. Your coefficient of y is 41. Your coefficient of x is 41. So for this type of equation, that type of equation can be easily solved by taking the addition of this equation and subtraction of your equation at a time. How? चलो देखते हैं, है ना? फॉर्म समझ में आ गया कि कौन सा टाइप का फॉर्म है? ax plus by equal to c1 and bx plus ay equal to c1. That means in the both of your equation, variables of this x and y interchange. So they can be solved by taking the addition of 1 and 2 and subtraction of 1 and 2. So adding, first we are taking addition of result 1 and result 2. So what is the addition? So it's a 78x plus this is 78y and this is equal to 156. Divide this equation with 78. So we are getting this one as a x plus y equal to 2. Say this one is a equation number 3. Done? Now subtraction. So subtract result 2 from result 1. Equation 2 को equation 1 में से subtract करो. So that subtraction will be 37 minus 41. So it's a minus 4x plus 4y equal to 70 minus 86 minus 16. So taking minus 4 common. So it's a x minus y equal to 4. So this is our equation number 4. Now check our equations. They are much more easier equations than given equation. Now this equation can be easily simplified. So now we are eliminating variable y. It's a x plus y equal to 2 and x minus y equal to 4. Using the elimination method, variable coefficient of variable y equal, and they are in a different sign. So take the addition, variable y is eliminated. So x plus x equal to 2x. 2 plus 4 equal to 2 plus 4 equal to 6. And therefore x is equal to 3. First solution, put in equation 3. Put in equation number 3. So equation 3 is x plus y equal to 2. So x is 3 plus y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore y equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of the given pair of linear equation, which is 3, minus 1. Clear, friends? So here we are given x by 2 plus y equal to 0.8, and the second equation is 7 upon x plus y by 2 equal to 10. तो जैसे ही हमने यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में x plus y by 2 करके कुछ लिखा, तो आप जो लास्ट सम थी उसकी थ्योरी अप्लाई करेंगे. But here this x plus y by 2 combined term is in denominator. So here it can be simplified like this. Here we can write this x plus y by 2. It is numerator and this 10 will come to the denominator. And here simplified of this first equation is x by 2 plus y equal to 0.8. So it's x plus 2y. X plus 2y equal to 0.8 into 2. It's a 1.6. This will be taking this 10 into denominator. So it's a 7 by 10 equal to, this will be x plus y by 2. So 7 by 10 means 0.7. Multiply this 2. So this will be equal to 1.4 equal to 2x plus y. Clear? So this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. So now for the elimination, what we are doing? We are making the coefficient of this x equal. So multiply equation 1 with 2. Multiply equation 1 with 2. 2 means 2 number, non-zero real number. So it's a 2x plus 4y equal to 3.2. This one is 2x plus y equal to 1.4. Minus minus minus, it will be cut. 4y minus y, this is equal to 3y. 3.2 minus 14 क्या होगा? 18 कर दो. जब भी कंफ्यूजन आए तो कर देना है. Yes, 18. Therefore, we are getting y equal to 1.8 by 3, so 0.6. Put this 0.6 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x plus 2y equal to 1.6. So now, our equation 1 is x plus 2y, y is 0.6 equal to 1.6. It's a x plus 1.2 equal to 1.6. So x equal to 1.6 minus 1.2. So x equal to 0.4. This is the value of another variable. So our solution is order pair xy where x is 0.4 and y is 0.6. Clear friends? Now here. Again pair of linear equation into a variable is given, but here our denominator is in denominator 3x plus y, 3x minus y. So this is reducible equation into the pair of linear equation. So for this, what you have to do? So we are taking one variable. It's a 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m, and put 1 upon 3x minus y equal to n. Done? So first equation will be m plus n equal to 3 by 4. So which is nothing but the 4m plus 4n equal to 3. And our second equation will be 1 by 2m minus 1 by 2n equal to minus 1 by 8. Multiply this equation both sides by 8. So it's again 4m minus 4n equal to minus 1. So these are the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we have to eliminate. For the elimination, these coefficients are equal and with different sign. We have to perform addition only. It's a 4m plus 4n equal to 3 and 4m minus 4n equal to minus 1. Perform addition, it will be cut. So 4m plus 4n, it is 8m equal to 3 minus 1. So it's a 2. So we are getting m equal to 2 by 8, which is 1 by 4. Put this m equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. Put in equation 1. So put m equal to 1 by 4 here. So it's a 4 into m, 1 by 4. It's a 1 by 4 plus 4n equal to 3. This 4 cut. This 1 will be subtracted from 3. So it's a 4n equal to 2. Therefore n equal to, we are getting 1 by 2. This m and n are the variables that we have considered. We have to find the values of x and y. So put these values over here. So what is m? 1 by 4. So now we are getting 1 upon 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m. m is 1 by 4. And another value which is 1 upon 3x minus y. 1 upon 3x minus y equal to m, and our n is 1 by 2. Clear students? So before that, pause this video and note it down. I am going to rough this part. Clear? So let me erase this part. I require more space. So now, after getting the values of m and n, put this value over here. So now we have to solve this equation. So first one is 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. If we consider the reciprocal of that equation, so now we are getting from this equation, which is 3x plus y. 3x plus y equal to 4. And from the second equation, so 3x minus y equal to 2. So this is now one pair of linear equation in two variables. We require the values of x and y. So again you have to solve it. Perform addition. So this y plus y cut. It's a 6x equal to 6. So you are getting x equal to 1. Say this one is a result number 3 and this one is a result number 4. So put in equation number 3. So we are getting 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. So here we are getting y equal to 1. So these are the solution of the given pair of linear equation. The answer is order pair xy equal to 1 1. Clear, friends? So pause the video to note it down.